Hey, welcome to Ice Age TV. And what are we doing today? I'm really excited. I just got my Husky Mud Guards in from Husky Liner. Great price. And they're for my F-150 Raptor truck that's out here in the driveway. I'm going to pull that thing in and let's just see how complicated this is. Some of these mud flaps, I mean, they're like that Raptor, that Bronco over there. What a project. That was a freaking project. Yeah. If you watch my F-250 tremor video. Yeah. If you watch my F-250 tremor video, if you put those Gator mud flaps on, what a project. So how about Husky Liner here? What's that adventure going to be? So it's the 2022 F-150 Ford Raptor truck. Super Crew. And I don't think it makes any difference really, but you have to classify that when you order it. So let's just see if it's an easy project or it's you're grumbling your breath and you're swearing and you go to drinking, right? Yeah, stuff drives you to drinking, right? So anyways, hey, but we're going to get this nice Charger Hellcat Red Eye. This is a Red Eye Hellcat Charger, just so you know. I mean, it's just not an emblem, it's the real deal. So let's just start this bad boy up and see what happens. It's all about the exhaust. Uh-oh. She's going to turn off. She's blowing gas. I ran this thing home like nothing. So let's get this pulled out. Yeah, I got like, I think, 19 miles of gas or something. So I'll pull this out. All right, so you just heard that nice Charger Hellcat Red Eye. Let's listen to the Raptor truck. A little raspy. Yeah, a little raspy. So let's get this pulled into the garage here and let's have the before and after look. You know, I just really like the mud flaps. I just think it helps keep all the junk off the bottom. That's why I like in that Maverick. I'll put them on the Maverick over there. Dealer did that for me when we first bought it down there in Florida. So, follow me along. All right, the first thing I do is I take my glass cleaner, which has no ammonia in it, so don't worry about that harm anything. And I usually spray the surface just to kind of get the dirt off, you know what I mean? The front, I'm gonna do the fronts first because they're always just more challenging. So I'd rather do that. So I go around, hey, this thing's got some horns. Notice that there? Yeah. So I think I turned the wheels correctly for the left side of the truck. So that's what I'm gonna do first. Right. Next thing you want to do is get your correct socket. It's a 7mm fitting. So we'll go up front here and from what it looks like, looks like all I do is take these two screws off right here. And we'll look at the mud flap real quick over here. All right. So look at this here. I really think this is just bing bam done. I mean, I really think this is just really simpler than you may want to believe. Isn't that awesome? All right, so let's take these two screws out. So you're just two holes. It says front. So let's find out together, right? Wow. That just like, see my nice light? Nice to have light. Wow, that was just like bing bam. So there's no way this is gonna rub, is it? Yeah, I mean, I have to say now that when I turn the tire, is it gonna rub? Let's find out. Looky there. All right, so cut it all the way the other way. Let's see if that happens with that, right? Yeah, not even close. I'm loving this. This is awesome. All right, so let's go back here now. And same thing. Looks like it just has two screws. Here's the rear. Looks like you just get right here and bang bada bomb. Wow, this would be the easiest ever for me. Follow me along. All right, so the back one is just as easy. but I got to use my little hand tool because my little gun is too tight without taking the tire off. And, you know, believe it or not, some of these applications for these mud flaps, you're going to take the damn tire off. I never had to. I've worked my way around it, but yeah, it can get radical. So, pretty simple here. Follow me along. Wow, Skr, this is awesome. This is like nothing. This is butter, man. This is like slicing butter, slicing bread, putting butter. I don't know, but anyways, really nice. So Husky Liner here did a really good job. And for anybody out there that's interested in it, it's the part number 58536 for the 2122 F-150 Super Crew, because they redesigned the truck for the Raptor. But I mean, just really nice. And they just go so easy. 2 screws in the front and the back. Having these little tools here, I did have to use my ratchet for that back one here. So for me, I had to use this because there's not enough room, but just really cool. I'll do a picture of the truck and walk around when I'm all done. But man, this is just flying. Awesome, right? Yeah. All right, we have wrapped it up. Did the front. Man, this is just so nice. So the Husky Liners. Anybody here shopping for some nice mud flaps for their truck? I just can't emphasize enough that this is just really simple. Got my little stool to sit on while I took out the screws, and just really nice. So I'll pull the truck out and do a walk around so you can see it in better light.